Har Mahadev guys, good morning all of you. This is 3 a.m. in the morning and we are headed toward Kashi Vishwanath Mandir. We decide that because there is lot of rush in the afternoon and evening. So to avoid that much hectic, we opt to visit Mandir early in the morning. And it is also an advice if you want to avoid a lot of rush. One thing I also inform you about the temple visit, that if you want to join Mangala Aarti in the early morning, so for that you can register yourself from the portal, and the people who are registered for Mangala Aarti, the entry for those people are around 2 a.m. and the Aarti will begin from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. and after that or around 4 a.m. the darshan of Kashi Vishwanath open for all common people. So if you want to watch Mangala Aarti, so you can register from the portal. I will give the link of the portal description, so you can register yourself. And also I want to say that please book your Mangala Aarti around 2 to 3 weeks earlier, because there is a lots of waiting in the Mangala Aarti. So for that sake you should register yourself much earlier.
If you want to see the night beauty of Varanasi, you can only see that in the early morning, because whole day and in the evening and night also there is a lot of rush on the roads and as well as on the alleyways. That's why this view of the morning seems totally different. You can see guys, there is already a long row for the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Despite waking up early in the morning, we ended up joining this massive queue. But hey, this is all a part of the story, and it all pays off when we finally see our Lord, the Lord Shiva.
People stay in long lines to just see their Lord for few seconds. This is a pure devotional emotion. There is a long row. People stay in these long rows. That's all. So you just see these things only in India, because here people are like pure soul.
This is the checkpoint. From here you have to submit your phone or any other electronic gadget at the deposit counter, and you can also safely take off your sleepers and put those in the shoe rack. And you guys aware of one thing, that outside the temple there are many shops of prasad and garland, and they ask you that you can deposit your stuff here, but you have to buy some prasad and flowers from them, because they said that there is no arrangement of depositing your stuff inside the temple. But this is totally misleading.
I am just walking out from the car, and after the darshan of Mahadev, the noise of Kashi will somehow feels smoother. Before that, it all seems like noisy, but now feel like really calm. The sound of mantras, the faint smell of ghee lamps, and the cold stone beneath your feet. It felt like the ancient and familiar vibe, which we always feel when we visit some devotional place like Kashi, Mathura, Ayodhya, and
After taking darshans, now it's tea time. This is the most viral tea shop of Varanasi, Lakshmi Chai Wale. They serve kadak chai and their different kind of bread toast varieties. And the famous one is their Malai toast. And I saw a different variety of butter toast, which I think you can find only here. They called that Caesarean. Seriously, they called that Caesarean. The reason behind that, they cut the thick slice of bread horizontally from the middle of one side and fill that cut with a lot of butter and roast it on the charcoal fire. That's why they called it Caesarean. After waiting 10 minutes, now our order is getting ready. So guys, let's taste their malai toast and Caesarean and let's find out they worth your penny or not. Let's try.
So guys, now we are trying the Lakshmi Chai's chai. It's okay. It's really heavy, but it's not too much good. I'll give it like 6 or 7. It's not that good. Now I will try their malai toast. Let's check. It's good. It's really good. Now we try their Caesarean butter toast. With tea. It's also good. I mean, whole buttery flavor. That's like boom in your mouth. So it's also good. So I'll recommend that you should try their butter toast and their malai toast. And chai, you guys, these things only go with chai. So chai is like mandatory. But yeah, chai is okay. Okay guys, I am having my tea and bread.
Right at the corner of the Lakshmi Chai Wala street, there is another famous food shop which is Gauri Shankar Kachori Wale. They are selling small tennis ball shaped hing kachoris and they also have jalebis. But wait guys, they are not like usual ones. They are khoa jalebi and the shape of these jalebis like a small tennis ball, as same as their kachoris.
Now I'm trying their Mahwa jalebi. They are filled with khoa. See? It's good. It's better than our common jalebi. But it's like different. I like it. And also it's delicious. So guys, now we are trying the famous Gauri Shankar Kachori and I give you the authentic review of how it is. It's okay. I mean, if you want to, you can try. But the taste is like okay, not so delicious. But if you have to try something, then you can go for it. So for this, I gave like 6 out of 10. Not a problem. Enjoy.
So now we are at Banarasi Kachori Chana. And here we are trying their palak patta chaat and their kachoris. So now we will give you the authentic review how it is. That's good. It's good. How much points should we give? So my friend says 7 out of 10 for this damn kachori. Now I will try this palak patta chaat.
Sorry guys, I couldn't review the palak patta chaat because it was so delicious that I forgot to make it. I'll give it 10 out of 10 because it was so delicious. and I want to say that you should try this palak patta chaat. The shop is like 50 to 60 meters from the Kashi Vishwanath temple.
So now guys, we are moving toward Gauri Kedareshwar Mandir. It is one of the 3 prominent mandir of Mahadev. So let's go and take darshans. Now we are at Gauri Kedareshwar Mandir. So this is one of the prominent mandir of Kashi. There is a legend that this Kashi is situated on the trident of Lord Shiva. So there are 3 major temples. One is obviously Kashi Vishwanath temple, one of is Kedareshwar Mandir, and third is Omkareshwar Mandir. So we already visited Vishwanath Mandir. Now we are at Kedareshwar Mandir.
You can see guys, many people meditating here.
This is another shivling at Kedar Ghat. There is a huge shivling and also a small shivling beside this. We are sitting at Gauri Kedareshwar Mandir. All around people are meditating. There are lots of chanting of mantras surrounding. People are doing different kind of karma kandas. If you came to here, this is the place where you really feel that spirituality belongs here. No more rush. Few people who are actually here to find solitude, find peace.
We are now at Lanka Chauraha, and just beside that we found another famous food destination, the Pahalwan Sweet Lassi. So guys, why we delay to taste their famous Rabdi Lassi? Let's try.
So guys, we are having Rabdi Lassi at Pahalwan Lassi. So now we are take a sip and I will give you the authentic review how it is. It's also delicious. There are few things which are famous and they maintain their quality, their taste. It is one of them. There is lots of rabdi over lassi, so it's making a perfect balance. So guys, you can try it. So I will give this 9 out of 10. Guys, we are on famous Chachi ki dukaan. So in the morning we tried Gauri Shankar Kachori and it was not that much good that we heard. So now we are trying the kachori of Chachi ki dukaan and I will give you the authentic review. So let's try. कटलेट दो हाँ लगा लगा So guys, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and kachoris are not available, but you know we came and we need to try something, so we tried their cutlet and samosas. So now I review how much it will really taste. Not according to my taste bud, but it's like okay. I'll give it 6 out of 10. So if you want, you can try. So guys, our next destination is Sankat Mochan Hanuman Mandir. It is the oldest temple of Hanumanji in the Varanasi. So guys, we deposited our mobile, our gadgets and other electronics on the counter outside the temple.
So guys, I took the darshan of Hanumanji. The mobiles and cameras are not allowed inside the mandir. That's why I didn't record anything. But words are more magical if you want to describe the beauty of anything. So when I step into the Sankat Mochan Hanuman Mandir, the air feels alive with pure devotion. The chants of Jai Shri Ram echo everywhere, mixing with the sweet smell of incense and fresh flowers. Thousands of pilgrims squeezed together, eyes shining with faith, all waiting for that one glimpse, darshan of Lord Hanuman.
After eating so much oily food, so much junk, finally we need some soda to get these all things digest. So for that we came to Banarasi Thandai shop near Gadolia, and we are having 2 lemon sodas, one for me and one for my friend. It's good guys, you can try it.
So we have decided that now we will go to Manikarnika Ghat and sit there for some time and enjoy the view there, and also drink the famous lemon tea of Varanasi Ghats.
हाँ मैं टांग लूँगा भाई. एक बात तो बताओ भैया, आपको मलाइयो कैसा लगा? दोबारा चले खाने?
Look guys, our lemon tea is getting ready.
ये चीनी मेल्ट हुआ चाय है. ये कोई पीते नहीं, लेकिन जो पी लेते हैं ना, मतलब उसमें हनी में डाल देते हैं, हनी से और मजा आता है.
हानि कहाँ है?
नहीं कह रहा हूँ मैं. नहीं है, इसमें मीठा है आप देखिए.
So guys, we are at Manikarnika Ghat and having the world famous lemon tea of Banaras Ghats. Me and my friend having tea, and this tea is really so good. A good taste of masala, salt and fresh lemon. So you guys can try, it's really good. In cold, lemon tea and the Ghat of Banaras is the best thing you have.
Again, we are at the divine place where soul meet their Lord. Next to you, fire burned the dead bodies wrapped in orange cloth. Flames eat the skin, crackle like dry leaves. You stand close, heart beating fast. Bones turn to ash in the heat. The river watches, calm and dark. One fire dies, another starts. Death feels near like a quiet friend. It takes them to the stars. This is the end of the vlog guys. We will meet in next vlog. Take care yourself, be safe and healthy. Jai Shri Ram.